Hi Kinder Kids. I thought today we could do a little bit of a craft activity and have a go at making these really beautiful colourful flowers, and in particular they look quite a lot like roses. So this is one that I made earlier, so you can have a look at how cool they are. So they come up like roses, and you could maybe make 10 of them and make a big bunch of flowers, which would be pretty cool. But let me show, I'll get that right up close. See how it's a beautiful rose with pinks and oranges? Let me show what you need to make these beautiful paper roses. So what you're going to need is your set of textures. You're going to need some paper towel, and you're going to need some scissors, which I've put on the wrong side. So to make these paper roses, what you need to do is take your paper towel and cut it into long strips. Each strip is going to become one of your roses. So I'll just give you an idea. It doesn't matter if it's really thick or thin, it's really up to you, because each one will be different and completely unique as you make these beautiful flowers. So I'll cut up a strip. Now, at the moment, our rose is just white. So we want to pick the colours that we want to use to make our rose colourful. So you can take your pens. Now, we're actually going to wet the colour again like we've done in some of our other experiments. So you don't have to colour this in perfect. It can be a little bit rough. So if I wanted to do a red and yellow rose, what I could do, you can see here down on the paper, is just kind of scribble in bits of colour. You could do some patterns, maybe a star, anything along there just to colour in the main part of the paper towel. But it doesn't have to be perfect. And anything you draw on there will get kind of dissolved as you put the water on, so you won't be able to see your patterns. So you want to go along and fill up your paper towel. Here's one that I did a little bit earlier, but I've just covered in different patterns and colours that's going to make the colours on the rose. So like we've done before, what we're going to need to do is add some water onto that to make it go all blurry and colourful. So you could put some water on a plate. I'm lucky because here at Kinder we do have some of these spray bottles. So I'm going to spray my rose and make it go all blurry in the colours. Let's see what happens. So you can see the blue is getting all blurry. That's pretty good. And now you can see the patterns that I've put on there, they're actually getting very soft and you can't really see the shapes that were there before. What you're going to need to do next takes a little bit of time, because you need to go and put that somewhere where it will dry. Somewhere in the sun or somewhere warm in your house, so that that can be completely dry before we make our roses. So I'm not going to make you wait, because I did make one earlier. So I do have one of my paper towels here that's got lots of beautiful, it's hard to see in the camera, it's got blues and purples and yellows in there. And I'm going to use this one to show you how we need to transform it into a rose. Now, the rose that I showed you before, you can see I'm lucky because I'm here at Kinder because I've got these amazing cool red sticks. But at home, you might have a satay stick in the kitchen drawer, so you can ask your family and see if you've got something like that. Maybe you like to go outside to the park and you might find some cool long sticks from a tree, or even in your garden. Or if you, like my family, we eat a lot of icy poles, you might have some old icy pole sticks. Any kind of stick will do to make the stem of the flower. So this bit is a little bit tricky, but it's not too bad. So you're going to take your paper towel and we're actually going to roll it up. So we're just going to go round and round and round and round and just roll it all the way down to the end. Very, very simple. And then just wrap it up at the end. Now what I'm going to do with my rose, I'm going to take my satay stick and I'm just going to put the stick inside the middle of the rose. Now, all I need to do to finish off my beautiful rose is get a bit of tape or a bit of glue so that we can attach the stick to the flower. I've got some sticky tape here. So I'm just going to wrap some sticky tape around the bottom so that my rose is now attached to the stick. So now I'm really lucky. I've got two beautiful roses. I've got this beautiful purple, blue and yellow rose. And then I've got this one that I made earlier, the pink and yellow rose. And I can put them together, and it's starting to make a whole bunch of flowers. So you might like to make lots of them and have a big, big bunch of beautiful roses that you could give to someone special, or you might like to just give one at a time and share them with your family or people that you love. I hope you enjoy making your flowers, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye Kinder Kids, bye.